Hi, this is Joji and I'm Bailey, and today I am going to show you how to do this look. I've been really excited to do some invisible liner lately, so I thought this would be a really awesome way to show you a really fun, dramatic look, but still have some very natural looking liner without actually having to buy any eyeliner. So with that being said, I am so excited to show you how I do it. So let's get going. Thank you guys so much for watching. I was so excited to do this look. It was a little bit scary to do something so bold, but I'm so happy with the way it turned out. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up or a paw up if you're Joji. Leave a comment if you have any questions and make sure to subscribe.